Hi there guys, my name's Tom. I'm a product marketing specialist here at GetResponse, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how you can re-engage your customers and ensure that you increase the engagement on your emails and keep customers that are potentially just falling out of your flows or out of your campaigns come back and start interacting with your content more and therefore purchasing more from your business. So the first thing you need to do to get started with this is go to automation, and we have a already created template for you so that you can do this nice and quickly and you can start re-engaging your customers from today. So I'm already here. So the next thing we need to do is go to create workflow. Once you do that, you're going to see a bunch of pre-designed templates like I mentioned before, where you can go through it. I highly recommend going through these anyway to see which of these templates will work for your business, but today we're going to focus on re-engaging those customers. So what we need to do is just go to engagement and retention to find this. We're going to look at win back today. So like I said, we're going to win back non-engagers and remove the contacts who didn't respond as a way to clear your lists and also ensure that you're getting the maximum potential out of the customers and the leads that you've already paid for. So we'll just use the template right here. Once that's loaded, we're going to have an marketing automation flow pre-built for you, and the only thing that you'll need to do is you'll see just select the messages and select some of the logic and just make sure that it works for your business. So by select a tag, all that means is just looking at customers that you may have already decided a group of people that you want to re-engage. You don't have to have this. If you don't want to have this, you can just click on the trash button there and it will get rid of that. The way to do this automatically within GetResponse is to start with whenever the score is less than or equal to 5. Now every contact in your list will get an engagement score, and we base this on whether or not they're engaging, like opening and clicking your content, your campaigns, your emails, that sort of thing. They'll automatically get that, so you can start using this automatically, and you can decide for your business what is high and what is low. We recommend starting with 5. That's a good place to start re-engaging people. So you can see here that what would happen is that user would then need to get a message. So we would send them a message, something along the lines of, hey, we noticed that you haven't been checking in with us recently. Do you still want to get these sort of campaigns? Or you can even offer them a promotion. Say, hey, by the way, this is an exclusive promotion. If you come back today, we will restart your trial, we will give you a 50% discount. You can decide on what works best for you. And then when the newsletter or the email is actually clicked, you can assign a tag to say, okay, user is re-engaged, or you can send them a message if they didn't click it to further re-engage and say, hey, okay, this is your very, very last chance. We can take you off our list if you want, but we just wanted to share this promotion with you. It's a one-time exclusive offer. That sort of content would work really well here. And then when it is clicked again, we would assign a tag to say, cool, this is a group of users that re-engaged, or we would just remove them from your account, therefore reducing the amount of users that you have in your list that aren't engaging with you, that are obviously costing you a little bit more money to have there. And also just cleaning up is a good technique to make sure that your campaigns are going out to the people who actually want them, who re-engage and who want to buy from your store. That's pretty much it. You can obviously apply this logic as well to those people who are actually engaging with your content. All you need to do here is just change the scoring that we have up here to a slightly higher number, or select a tag of users who may be engaged with a campaign such as Black Friday, Cyber Monday, that sort of thing, and you can send them more emails or make sure that this wasn't just a one-time thing that they were interested in. Just a way to build trust with your subscribers and ensure that you're not bombarding them with stuff that they don't want, or that they would perceive your business as a kind of spam, or just those sorts of things. So this is a really quick way to get started. You can see that already. It's ready and waiting for you in your account. You can use these templates immediately, as I showed you before. Brilliant, guys. All right, good luck with your re-engagement campaign. I look forward to seeing your results.